Hello everyone, let's start with the series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving the 16th problem and its name is Chef and Candies. So let's read out the problem statement and then we'll look into some of the examples. So the problem statement says there are n children and chef wants to give them one candy each. Okay, chef already has x candies with him. To buy the rest, he visits a candy shop. In the shop, packets contain exactly 4 candies are available. Okay. Determine minimum number of candy packets chef must buy so that he is able to give one candy to each of the children. Got it. So they've given input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. So first we'll take care of the test cases. In t, say in t while t minus minus. Okay. First and only line of each test case contain two integer n and x. So in each test case there will be two integer n and x. We'll take their values in n and x from the input, and yeah, let's try to understand some of the examples. Okay, first example the given is total 4 example they're given. So in first example n is 20, x is 12. So let's try to understand this. So in first example n they've given is 20, x they've given is 12. So basically there are 20 childrens. Okay, there are 20 childrens and chef already has 12 chocolates. So for 12 children he'll give one chocolates. So remaining there will be 20 minus 12, which is 8. 8 children are remaining and they have not got the chocolates. Okay, so now chef what he'll do is, okay, he'll go visit a shop. In shop, if he buys one packet of chocolate, in that there will be 4 chocolates. Okay, so to fulfill to give one chocolate to 8 remaining children, he need to buy 2 packets, right? In one packet we are getting 4 chocolates. So in 2 packets there will be 2 into 4, which is basically 8 chocolates. So he need to buy 2 packets. So 2 is our answer, so that he can give all the 20 children a single piece of chocolate. So yeah, for this case 2 is the answer. Now let's understand the second example, which is wherein n is basically 10, x is 100. Okay, so in second example n is 10 and x is 100. What does it means is that there are 10 children, and chef has 100 chocolates. So which means out of this 100 chocolates he can give one chocolate to all the students. Still chef will be having 90 chocolates, so he don't need to visit the shop and buy the chocolate packets. So in this case the number of packets purchased will be 0. So one case is that if n is greater than equals to x, in that case 0 packets will be purchased by the chef. Reason being, ulta I told. If n is less than or equals to x, which means number of children are less than equals to number of chocolates chef has. So in that case he will not be purchasing any chocolate. So in second example, as you can see, which is given as output 0. Now let's understand the third example. So in third example, n given is 10 and basically 10 children are there, and chef has only 9 chocolates. So one chocolate is required, which is basically one children has not got any chocolate. So now what he'll do is chef will visit the chocolate shop and he'll purchase one packet and he will get 4 chocolates. Okay, 4 chocolates will get, so that one chocolate can be given to this one. So basically one packet he'll be requiring, so you need to purchase only one chocolate. So here we have answer as 1. Now let's understand fourth one, which is interesting. In this case, I'll derive formula to solve the problem. So in 20th case given, 20 children are there and chef has only 9 chocolates. Okay, so it means 11 chocolates are required for the chef to give to the 11 children. So now in one packet we will get 4 chocolates. So if you divide 11 by 4, you will get answer as 2.75, right? Yeah, 2.0. But in integer, this point will not be considered. So you will get only 2. So which means, let's say if you purchase 2 packets of chocolate, so you will get 8 chocolates because one packet has 4 chocolates. So 8 chocolate, but still you require 3 more people will be left with the without chocolate. So what we'll do is, in this case, we have divided, we have got answer as 2, but we need 3 more chocolates to fulfill to, so that all the child will be getting the single chocolate. So in this case we'll do this way, modulo 4. If you do 11 modulo 4, our answer is 3. So basically, if a modulo operator has any remainder, either 1, 2 or 3, because when you modulo with 4, remainder will be 0, either 0, 1, 2 or 3. If 0 means that is the first case wherein you have seen 20 children were there and 8 chocolates was with chef. So in this case he need to purchase 3. So if you do, let's say this is 12, 20 minus 8 12. If you divide it by 4, you will get 3. So in first case he purchased 3 chocolate packets. So 3 into 4, which is 12, was the chocolates, and he gave to all 12 children. In this case, if you do modulo 4, your answer will be 0. Okay, so whenever a modulo is there, like it has value 1, 2 or 3, so in that case we need to add one more chocolate. So you have purchased 1 chocolate, but one more chocolate you need to purchase, so that total of 3 chocolates you are purchasing. So if you purchase 3 chocolate packets, so all children can be satisfied. So as you can see here, 3. So I think you got what is pretty much what is problem statement. So let's try to understand the code. So we have got n and x. One condition we have saw is that for the second one, let's say if n is less than equals to x, which means number of chocolates present with the chef is already greater than or equal to number of children. So in that case, he don't need to purchase anything. He don't need to purchase any number of chocolate packets. So in this case, we need to straightly output as 0. Okay, we'll take one variable int number of packets 0, and we'll print this number of packets. Now if it is not the case, which means number of chocolate present with the chef is lesser than the number of children. So in this case we'll have to take one variable remaining children, which is basically n minus x. So this is number of children remaining. Now number of packets will be initially with remaining children divided by 4. Okay, this will give us how many packets you need to purchase. But one more case we have seen, like in this case we need to check modulo also. If modulo it has some value apart from 0, so in that case we need to increase one. We need to purchase one more. Chocolate. Okay, chocolate packet. So we'll have to see here if remaining children modulo 4 it has some value either 0, 1 or 2. 1, 2 or 3. So in that case number of packets plus will do, and at the end we need to see out number of packets. Let's try to run the code. Yeah, it is running fine. 2013. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. So I think pretty much this was the problem statement. So if you want to optimize this, you are adding 2 times number of packets. So you can do one thing is that remove this one, and you have to put here if condition if n is greater than x. Okay, and this C output we just put it outside. So basically number of packets is initialized to 0 when n is greater than, which means number of children is greater than the already number of chocolates chef has. So in that case it will go inside and then calculate the number of packets, chocolate packets required to purchase. Yeah. Okay, C is missing. C. Let's try to run the code. Yeah, it is again 2013. 2013 it was. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. So in this way you can optimally write the code by using only if. In the previous it was if and else. If and else it was no if here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video.